At the coffee shop English conversation. Barista, hi there. Welcome to our coffee shop. What can I get for you today? Customer, hi. I'll have a cappuccino, please. Barista, sure thing. One cappuccino coming right up. Are you new around here or a regular visitor? Customer, I'm fairly new. I actually come here often to practice speaking English. Barista, that's wonderful. How long have you been learning English? Customer, I've been at it for about 6 months now. Practicing in real-life situations like this really helps. Barista, absolutely. Engaging in conversations is one of the most effective ways to improve. Have you found any particular methods or tips especially useful? Customer, listening to English podcasts and watching movies without subtitles has been really helpful. And chatting with friendly people like you here makes a big difference. Barista, those sound like great strategies. I'm glad to hear they're working for you. If you ever want to practice more or need any help, feel free to chat with us. We are here to assist. Customer, thanks, I appreciate that. I might take you up on that offer sometime. Barista, anytime. By the way, have you considered joining any conversation clubs or language exchange groups? They can be really beneficial too. Customer, not yet. Do you know of any in this area? Barista, actually, there's a language exchange meetup every Thursday evening at the community center just a few blocks away. It's a great opportunity to meet people from different backgrounds and practice speaking English in a relaxed setting. Customer, that sounds perfect. I'll definitely check it out. Thanks for letting me know. Barista, you are welcome. Here's your cappuccino. Enjoy. Customer, thank you. Have a great day. Barista, you too. So, aside from learning English, what else do you enjoy doing in your free time? Customer, well, I love exploring new places around the city. I also enjoy reading novels and trying out different cuisines. Barista, that sounds like a lot of fun. Have you discovered any favorite spots in the city so far? Customer, the botanical garden is really beautiful, and there's this quaint bookstore downtown that I adore. How about you? What do you like to do when you're not serving delicious coffee? Barista, I enjoy hiking in the nearby trails and trying out new recipes in the kitchen. Oh, and I'm also into photography, especially capturing street scenes around the city. Customer, that's awesome. Photography must be a great way to capture the essence of a place. Do you have any favorite spots for photography around here? Barista, definitely. The Old Town Square during sunset offers some stunning views, and the waterfront area is perfect for capturing reflections on the water. Customer, I'll have to check those out. Speaking of which, do you have any recommendations for good local restaurants? I'm always on the lookout for new places to try. Barista, absolutely. There's a cozy Italian place just a few blocks from here that serves amazing pasta dishes. And if you are into seafood, there's a seafood grill by the pier that's known for its fresh catch. Customer, that all sounds delicious. I'll definitely give them a try. It's great to get recommendations from a local. Barista, I'm glad I could help. Exploring new cuisines is always a treat. By the way, have you had a chance to travel much before settling here? Customer, a little bit. I've visited a few neighboring countries, but I'm really looking forward to exploring more of this country. There's so much diversity and culture to experience. Barista, that's true. This country has a lot to offer, from vibrant cities to picturesque countryside. If you ever need tips on places to visit, feel free to ask. Customer, thanks. I'll definitely keep that in mind. Oh, and before I forget, do you have any favorite coffee blends or specialties here? Barista, our house blend is quite popular, but if you are feeling adventurous, you might enjoy our seasonal specialty, which has hints of caramel and cocoa. Customer, that sounds tempting. I think I'll try the seasonal specialty next time. Barista, great choice. I think you'll really enjoy it. So, how do you find the city compared to where you are from? Customer, it's different for sure, but in a good way. The pace is faster here, and there's always something happening. It's been exciting to explore and adapt to the lifestyle. Barista, I'm glad to hear you are settling in well. The city does have a way of growing on you. Customer, definitely. Everyone has been really friendly and welcoming, which has made the transition much smoother. Barista, that's wonderful to hear. Well, I hope you continue to enjoy your time here. And remember, if you ever want to practice your English or just chat, we are here. Customer, thanks again for the warm welcome and conversation. It's been really nice chatting with you. Barista, likewise. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you next time. Customer, take care. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.